Hi there, welcome to the Small Business Coffee Break, the series where we take a few minutes to work on your business, not just in it. Today we ask, how do you train a virtual assistant? With Jason Nuñez. Jason is the CEO of Go Digital Hero Inc., a virtual assistance firm right here in Miami. And Jason is passionate about helping small business owners, entrepreneurs, and high net worth individuals achieve a better work-life balance. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get into it. Again, it's the fact that I didn't have to teach you how to look for that information online, or I didn't have to teach you how to, who to call to make that reservation, or how to read a script or properly deliver a script over the phone. This was something that the organization handled, right? And though I may have 4 different tasks that I need done in a given day, travel arrangements changed, the cold call made, so on and so forth. There are different people who know how to do this, who are doing this. From me, my perspective, it was one communicated place, right? Mm-hmm. But it's being handled by multiple people, and therefore the individuals who are doing it have experience, and I didn't have to teach them that thing.
That's correct. In the training session, so let me give you an example on the training part. Speaking to a client, you're onboarding. I have all these emails coming in, but I really need to see and act on the emails from Jacob Bennett. And then after I answer those emails from Jacob Bennett, I really need to answer the ones from Yvette. Okay. You hang up with the virtual assistant. Virtual assistant goes into Google. Already inherently knows Google or Microsoft, goes in, sets up rules. The next time you open up your email, you have all the emails from Jacob, all the emails from Yvette, and everything else. For someone who you have to spend some time training, think about sitting with them. You click here, open up Google, open up the email, then come up here. Did you write that down? Because you're gonna have to do it again. Then go over here and create the filter. You don't have time for that. Let a virtual assistant do it. Skills already inherently known.
Let's keep the conversation going. If you have any questions for Jason, please ask it in the comments, or his contact information is in the description. If you have any questions you'd like me to ask Jason or any other professional in their field, my contact information is also in the description, and I'm always available via direct message. See you next week for another cup of coffee and more questions answered.